Welcome to NitroRCX.com. We'll be looking at the new MicroX monster truck. This monster truck is 1/24 scale. MicroX makes many models. They have the rally car, they have the short course truck, and they have kind of a modified semi-truck. Well, this desert truck is their newest and latest model. It is 1/24 scale, very small, fits in the palm of your hand, very pliable, large monster truck tires, and monster truck wheels. 2.4 gigahertz. Transmitter is included with that 2.4 gigahertz receiver installed in the truck itself. When you pull this out the box, all you have to do is charge the battery and you're ready to run. The battery is a 4.8 volt, 220 milliamp hour battery. It takes about an hour to charge and you're gonna get about 8 to 10 minutes of awesome, fun driving. The charger included is a wall adapter type charger. Plug that directly to the battery and any outlet to charge your battery. The package also comes with a manual. Be sure to read the manual if this is your first RC car. So upon removing the body, you're going to be greeted with a fully enclosed receiver box. The receiver box and servo system are enclosed in here, along with the speed controller. The receiver and the speed controller is a 2-in-1 unit. You can see the power wires and the motor wires coming right here. It is swappable, so if you do happen to damage something, there are spare parts. It's not a unit where you're not going to have spare parts if you happen to damage something or burn out your motor. You can even upgrade the motor if you do wish to do so. Let's take a closer look at the drivetrain and suspension. The suspension, you're getting oil-filled, threaded, adjustable shocks on all 4 corners to handle all your monster truck duty needs. It is oil-filled, it is adjustable, so you can turn a preload collar to induce more preload and stiffen up the springs. Change how the monster truck handles different types of terrain, whether it's carpet or dirt outside. Your drivetrain is durable. It is metal all throughout, metal dog bones, metal drive shaft cups, and metal outdrive cups out on the wheels. The steering servo is a micro servo within, so you get accurate and precise steering when you're handling this monster truck. On the bottom of the monster truck chassis, you'll find a battery compartment that houses your nickel battery. So with a quick look out of the way, let's show you some footage of this desert monster truck in action.